Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So now I will do tutorial on how we can use Geoserver software to upload and sharing our data. So let's start. First of all, of course, we have to install our uh, Geoserver software in this website. After that, if you use Windows PC or laptop, choose Windows installer. Then you have to follow all the instructions how to install the software. After that, you will can use the software directly. So the software will appear like this. And as usual, you have to log in as admin. So after that, you can directly create your workspace. So now I will show how to create our workspace, store where to store the data, and how to publish our data in layers. So now we have to create our workspace, add new workspace, and fill in this name and namespace of URI. After that, click save. So as I already saved my workspace, it will appear like this. So this is my workspace, named as GIS Software. Okay, then go to stores to decide where we want to store our data or directory of our data. Okay, you simply click add new store, and before that, to allow us to publish all these shape files in this Geoserver, we have to do another thing, which we have to check the directory in our localhost. Okay, we have to find this in our laptop, where we can find in Windows C. Go to program data, Geoserver data. Okay, this file, shapefile, create new folder. So I name my folder as lab7, and I paste all the shapefile from NYC file. After we create and copy all the file from NYC, let's go back to our server stores. Okay, simply click stores and then click directory of spatial files, and then choose workspace, our previous one, lab.js, data source name. You can decide what your wish. You can a bit descriptions, and here for the connection parameters, you have to browse in your data directory. So this is my what I have created before, lab7. So click OK. After click OK, it will then will appear like this. So that means you success to create your and manage the stores, your stores for this data. And then next step is to publish our layers. Again, we have to add a new layer. Add layer from our workspace, and it will appear like this. If you want to publish, click publish, and You can rename or you can use the name that already given here. And okay, the coordinate advanced system, we use EPSG4326. Then we have to bound the compute from data for min x, min y, min x, min y for our data. Just simple click compute view. Also here, this also, and save. So that's mean I already publish my data. So if you want to view whether it is successfully to publish your data, just go to layer preview. So this is my data that I have been published. I just use the data that is provided in this Geoserver. Next, I show you how to use published layer of Geoserver into our own web application. So how we uh, view this? By using open layers and WMS URL. First of all, we have to search the open layers website, and this is the website. So choose the latest version 4 and click this one and search for WMS. Click tile WMS to copy all this file, all this coding into our notepad. And so this is our notepad that I already saved. So we have to change the URL. So where to get the URL? We can go to open view source of our data that has been published, and copy this one. And we also have to change the layers parameter, this one, and this also can get from here. And then use this kind of setting, then click save, and you can run this as well as you talked before. Okay, then it will appear like this. So this is how we can view our application using Geoserver, publish Geoserver. We also can load our publish layer of Geoserver into QGIS. Open the QGIS, go to layer, add layer, and choose add WMS, and fill in this the name and URL only. Where to get the URL? We go to, first of all, go to layer and add layer and add WMS. So it appear like this. Then you have to create new one. Go to select one, and let's say we want to use JPEG format. Then click this one and get this URL. So copy and just put the and copy the URL here. Then click OK, and then once you click OK, it will appear like this, and click connect, So you have to click all the layers one by one, and then after that, after click all these layer, it will appear like this. So this is our published data that we load into our QGIS. So that means our data can be used and successfully published into the Geoserver software. That's all for now. Thank you.